recently I've been playing with some drones, and I've got two different models here. Whenever I was looking for something to play with, I wanted something that was budget friendly, that would just let me, you know, do some footage of my turbines and stuff whenever I'm working on them. This one down here, let me go around this way. The one on the left is a SG906 Beast Pro. And why I went with this one is because it's got a little 3-axis gimbal on the front that I really like. The video quality is not great, but it's stable, and that's more important to me. This one on the right was actually one that was suggested to me. It is a Holy Stone HS720E. I didn't like this one so much because every time I heard anything about it, it was broken arms. And I did another video kind of comparing the two in size. The arms on it are very small, and they seem to break for people pretty easily. This one, the only reason why I got it is because I got it very cheap, because it had broken arms. I've glued the arms back together. Depending on which way I go here, I might buy replacement arms and keep it. I might just play with it as is with the glued together arms. We'll see. But what I wanted to do today is show you the stability differences between the two. Why I like the Beast was because it had that 2-axis gimbal that made it very stable. The Holy Stone has a much better camera as far as processing power and frame rate. It will actually shoot at 4K at 25 frames per second, or it'll shoot at 1080p at 60 frames per second, which I like that. I like being able to shoot at 1080 60. The Beast will only do their idea of 2K, which is, you know, slightly bigger than 1080p at 30 frames per second. So it's, you know, not as powerful, but it's done what I've wanted it to do so far. I've got a couple of videos off of these turbines so far, some projects that we're working on, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Now today though, I'm going to put them both up there close to the Healy. Wind right now is running about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sometimes it's gusting upwards of 50. We had some pretty good breezes earlier, which got my Healy actually turning. It's mostly idling now. But it's going to be enough of a crosswind to really put the electronic stabilization to the test. So I'm going to start by getting my Beast up off the ground, because that one will hover and hold a position pretty well. I've had a little bit more trouble with the Holy Stone, but it was, you know, broken. So that's where we're going to start. What the hell? Okay. A problem with my gimbal. Let's oh. There we go. Maybe just remembered where I had it last time. Let's get that over there. Idling. We'll move it away just a little bit. There's nothing else that the Holy Stone will let you launch without telling you it needs to be calibrated. If you don't do both the calibrations, it'll still let you launch. And then just crash. Okay, so it's in sport mode. We're going to turn that off first. Okay. I'm going to get the Holy Stone backed away from the tower a little bit. We're going to start recording now. Okay, and now my Beast is also recording. You can see them. That's a view you won't get to see from very many other channels, is the two different models together. There it is. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna get them up there in a little bit higher wind, closer to the turbine. If I can find my turbine, there it is. And let's get the Holy Stone over there as well. I'm actually a little more impressed with the stability than I thought I would be. I don't think it's going to hold up to some serious crosswinds right now. It's actually calmed down quite a bit since I even got started out here. It's done pretty well. Just wish the picture wasn't so blue. All right, well, let's bring them back over here. I'll bring the Holy Stone down first. Whoa, come back. It just kind of wanted to keep going there. All right. Man. So that's that. I'm going to put the video together with whatever footage comes off of that. And what I'm doing with both of these drones, they have onboard card slots. They will send footage back to your phone, and you can save it that way. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to take the footage directly off the card slot so we get to see everything that the drone saw. So maybe it'll be neat. Maybe it'll just be boring. It wasn't quite as windy as I thought it was whenever I packed up to come out here to do this. No, I might do this again later with whenever we got some more crosswind. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.